No, nothing is changed. For me, your screen is only visible. Engine now just started.
Sir, is audio is coming or
Reduce the volume. Reduce. Yeah, audio is also coming. You reduce the sound. Reduce the sound.
Okay. Okay.
Just play.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Like this, I can place.
Yeah, this should be fine, Vishnu. Now,
Okay. Okay.
yeah, you can. Yeah, you can directly place it. So 119 is the total string. So does student have any problems so far with the record correction or anything? Any pending things? So far we have completed 6 experiments. So do you have any issues with any of that? Please respond. Sir will join in another 5 minutes, I think. So within that time we can discuss this. If you have any issues with the record correction or anything pending. One of the thing is many of the students, instead of submitting it to the link, they're sending to my personal email. Well, I don't know why you people are doing that. You are asked to do a very simple thing: just attach your file to a link. And in that also, if you are saying mistakes and you are doing mistakes and say that, sir, you're doing mistake and I'm sending it to you. Simple. I don't know why you are doing such things. You are professional students and you have to behave like one. Hereafter, please don't do that. Within the time, you please try to. You said that you had an issue with the size of the file, so we have changed the system. Instead of LMS, we have provided you the link. We are giving you sufficient time for completing the records. And again, you are complaining. One or two students have sent to me an email saying that you have, by mistake, they submitted wrong file and see another person had this issue. He is not trying to enter into the group by institute ID, email ID. He is trying with some other email ID. I don't know why such things you are doing. Don't do such things, guys. So he has answered no such problem up to now. Amarnath Biswal. So, okay, I think so far then we are up to date up to the last experiment. Today we will see the variable speed test on Perkins engine. Vishnu, unpresent your screen. Once sir comes in, then
Okay.
you again present.
Okay, okay, sir.
Yeah. Is there any self-explanation video, Vishnu? That's where Sir is explaining
No,
through
sir.
the video.
This time we didn't do like that, sir.
Okay. So Sir is not
Sir,
explaining anything. Just
yes, sir. He
okay.
said that
We'll explain.
by showing the video, I will explain like that, sir.
Okay. Okay. So one of your friend is trying to enter by through another email ID. It is popping up, but I am not able to see to give him access to the lab. Can you ask him to actually join by institute email ID? For me, it's just popping for a moment, so I'm not able to actually get him inside the lab.
Hello.
Good afternoon, sir. Rama Prasad, sir.
Good afternoon, Andy. Sorry for the delay.
Sir,
Good afternoon.
no issues, sir.
Held up.
Sir, can we start, sir?
Yeah. Gupta sir is there?
Yeah, Gupta sir is there, sir. And
Sorry,
Vishnu.
sir. అదే ఐఏ వాళ్ళు E&ICT లో మీటింగ్ ఉండింది సార్.
ఓకే.
సోమయాజులు గారు వచ్చారనమాట. ఇంకా బయట భోజనం చేద్దామని అటు వెళ్ళిపోయాము. లేట్ అయిపోయింది.
ఓకే.
Sir, today Vishnu will be playing, sir, because he's got the videos with him.
He has also sent to me, no problem.
Yeah, but
can share that one, no problem.
Yeah, sir. Anything is fine, sir. If you want to share and do that, that's fine,
If he is comfortable for him, okay.
Yeah, he can do, sir. Whatever I am doing, he will be doing.
Yeah. My voice is clear, visible, no?
Very
Audible,
clear, sir. Very clear, sir.
Thank you.
Vishnu.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
I will
Start. Yes. But if the sound is very high, please reduce the sound, because that is only motor sound.
My sound is also higher.
No, not your. It's not there now, sir. So did you spoke in the morning, sir, in the video?
No, I didn't spoke.
That's fine, sir. He will be playing, but the motor sound is so high. So I'm making him make it too low, so that you can play in the meeting.
No.
Hello, sir.
చెప్పు విష్ణు.
Yeah, we are seeing.
Hello, sir.
హలో బాబు చెప్పు.
My voice is audible or no?
Yeah, clear.
Yeah, Vishnu. Your
Sir. Hello.
Vishnu,
Yeah,
the Google screen మాత్రమే కనిపిస్తుంది.
Okay.
ఇంజన్ ఓవర్వ్యూ ఫైల్ కనిపిస్తుంది. Yeah. Correct.
దీనికంటే ముందు మనము ఇది టేబుల్ చూపిద్దాం అనుకున్నాం కదా.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. I will.
వీడియో. Hello, good afternoon, students. Hello. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. See, we already conducted an experiment on Perkins engine by performing the test at a constant speed. Okay, multi-cylinder engine performance test on multi-cylinder diesel engine, that is a Perkins engine. Okay, so the specialty of the diesel engine I explained you. The same motive, that's why in variable speed test. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So on that, because this is a very automotive type of engine, on that we can also conduct a variable speed test. So variable speed test means its rated speed is 1600 RPM, So this is 1600 RPM I wrote here. So that means in the performance test, always we varied the load and tried to bring the engine to rated speed. As you load the engine speed will fall, and we will compensate for the loss in speed by changing the throttle position. That's what we did. So now variable speed test is generally performed at different throttle positions. So that means you have to fix the throttle. So whereas we varied in the performance test. No? Now we will fix the throttle position. You can vary the load or speed by varying the amount of water flow in a hydraulic dynamometer or vary the throttle position. Here we are fixing the throttle position also. So then only variable for us to vary the load or speed adjustment is through a dynamometer water supply. So actually the manual suggests that it is conducted at a full throttle position. Let us understand what is meant by full throttle, half throttle, 3/4 throttle. So first we will understand the full throttle. Full throttle means full opening. So we are not putting any restriction. Means I told you, no, because this butterfly valve will be there. And once you bring it to the vertical position. Hello?
So we can show that.
Hello?
Your order.
Excuse me, sir. Sorry to
Yeah,
interrupt.
tell me.
Sir, the meeting is not getting recorded, sir.
Oh. Sampath garu. విష్ణు ప్రొవిజన్ ఉందా మీకు?
ఇక్కడ ఏం కనపడడం లేదు సార్ నాకు. నో
అంటే సార్కు ఉన్నాయనుకుంటా రైట్స్.
ఎస్ సార్.
సంపత్ గారు I have network issue here. సార్ గుప్తా సార్
నా దగ్గర కూడా
లేదా
ఆప్షన్ లేదు మరి.
అంటే సంపత్ కి ఒకటే ఇచ్చిన రైట్స్.
maybe host can do that.
నేను హోస్టా? ఐఎమ్ నాట్ హోస్ట్. ఐ థింక్ హి హాస్ నాట్ బీన్ మోరింగ్ హోస్ట్.
Sampath sir is host only.
Sampath sir is host, but he has some network issues, it seems. Voice is breaking. Revant? Hello, Revant.
I have talked to him. He's connected.
Okay. Connected. No, is it recording started, no?
Plus sir.
Hello, Vishnu. Vishnu?
Sir, is it recording now, sir?
Green వచ్చింది కదా?
Yeah. Yes, sir. It is recording.
Okay.
No, sir, it is not recording yet.
No, sir.
Okay.
Where is that option in this?
Sir?
Where is the option of recording?
Sampath sir told he started recording, sir.
Okay.
Yeah. Sir, what happened? Sir?
Ante we are waiting for recording to start.
Okay.
Till then, we are just holding it.
Okay. Actually, sir told he clicked on that one.
Which one?
Sampath sir.
Uh-huh. Shall I continue or wait for some more time?
I will come to sir.
మీరు అన్షేర్ చేయండి. కనిపిస్తుంది.
Sampath sir, he lost his network. I think he's trying. We will contact.
I think only Sampath sir can record that video, sir. We don't have the option. Sir.
Hello, Vishnu.
Sir, only Sampath sir can, the host can only record that one, maybe. Actually, sir was saying that it will, in these options, it will be there in the top, but it is not there, sir, recording option.
Yes, sir. Host can record, sir.
Yeah, through other people can't.
Co-host ఏం చేయలేదా?
అదే సార్ ఓన్లీ స్క్రీన్ ప్రజెంట్ చేయగలరు అనుకుంటా.
It is now recording, sir. You can start.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, sir.
Sorry, sir. I
No,
don't
no.
have any proper internet connection. That was the issue, sir.
No issue. Sorry for the disturbance.
Sir, sorry, sir. I should be sorry, sir.
No,
Unnecessarily
because
giving
you
it.
expressed your inability, no?
Yeah. Thank you.
Now it can be started.
Ah. Hello?
Yes, sir. You can start, sir.
Yeah. No, should I start once again from the beginning? Sarthak?
No, sir, it's okay, sir. We can continue, sir.
Yeah. So as far as the variable speed is concerned, and this automotive type of engine, which is a multi-cylinder Perkins engine, we have to do this test at a particular throttle position. So let us first understand, instead of directly going to the half throttle position, what do you mean by full throttle? Full throttle, you are not providing any restriction for the airflow. That is the meaning. Half throttle means half the throttle is open. The remaining half is closed. So 3/4 throttle means it is 75% open. So how do we fix the full throttle position, let us say? So from the brake formula, you calculate the full load. That means if you can apply the 22.5 units corresponding to this dynameter formula, allow the engine to bringing to 1600 rpm by varying the throttle position. Okay, so that is there in the pneumatic governing system. No, airflow throttle position you are varying. So that means you are applying this load by controlling the water flow rate, and you are observing the 22.5 units on the dynamometer dial, and try to adjust that as throttle position. So where you are going to see the 1600 rpm on the crankshaft. So once you see that because you are varying the throttle position now, so once you get 1600 rpm, now engine is taking 22.5 units, and that is the position corresponding to full throttle. Now in the same context, what do you mean by half throttle? You apply the half of that full load, means about half of that 22.5 is nothing but 11.25. Apply that load by varying the amount of water flow and observe the speed of the engine, where you can notice 1600 rpm by adjusting the throttle position. So that means once the engine attains 1600 rpm by taking 11.5 to 11.25 units, so then that is a throttle position corresponding. So once this is fixed, do not touch the throttle, but vary the speed with the load only. That means load means with the external load only. So that means keeping the throttle position fixed, you have to conduct this test. So what observations you have to make it, Vishnu, just to bring it down. So the observation table is our independent variable is now speed. So you are running so far with 11.25 units, no, and allowing the engine at 1600 rpm with this throttle position. So allow it to run for some time so that the steady load and the steady speed is observed. So at that time, note down the time for the 100 cc of fuel consumption as you did in the performance test. So that is noted in terms of seconds. So 1600 rpm, 11.25, this one is there. So once this reading is completed, you come to, that means by adjusting the water flow, that means you are going from 1600 to lower side. So what happens? The load you have to increase it. So you have to restrict the regulate the amount of water flow into the dynameter. Now you are not varying the throttle position at all, because you are allowing the same amount of air taken by the engine. So at that time, whatever dynamometer reading comes, you have to note down that one. The first reading we noted, so that we maintain 11.25. Second reading, whatever load it comes, definitely it would be higher than 11.25 because the speed has reduced, no? So likewise, you note down the time taken again for 100 cc. So at that time, you are running at 1500. Now my intention is to run the engine at 1400 rpm. Again, what it will be obvious, it means that engine load again further will be increased because you are bringing it to 1400 RPM. So again, see that the steady load and steady speed is observed. At that time, note down the time taken for this one. So whatever the dynamometer dial shows this reading corresponding to 1400, 1500, 1300, 1200, likewise. So now, because with respect to 1600, on the lower side you are going up to 1200. So that is our observation. Whether we achieve this many speed readings or not, we do not know. Let us see. So on the other side also you note down. So the higher side, 1700 and 1800. Obviously, when you start running the engine at 1700 RPM, by reducing the load corresponding to 1600, definitely lower loads, no? So then note down the time taken for this 100 cc. Then further you reduce the load by changing the water flow only. So bring the engine to 1800 RPM. So we are trying to observe this variable speed because our x-axis will be speed, y-axis whatever observations you have made. So that means by making use of this formula, you can arrive at brake power. By making use of this fuel consumption by time, you look at the fuel consumption per time. So brake specific consumption is a fuel consumption by brake power, indicated power. So other readings you may get it as desired by the tabular column and observation. What we observed was we could not bring the engine to. Yesterday we ran this experiment. We could not go beyond 1500, and at the same time we could not go higher than 1700. So we got the values 1500, 1600, and 1700. These three readings. So instead of sharing the readings with the three speeds, we are trying to share with the readings of the last semester. We performed the same test. That is the crux of this particular experiment. If you have any doubts, no, after observing the video, you can ask any questions. Hello? Is it clear? Hello, Sarthak? Sarthak, Kalyan?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir. Clear, sir.
Somebody can speak out, no? We can also. So, Vishnu, you show
Sir.
the video, no?
Yes, sir. First, we will see how to fix that constant speed, sir.
Throttle position, no?
Throttle position.
Yeah.
First, we will show throttle.
So, dial, so dynamometer dial, you know, the water flow is, you have fine tuning with the small valve here, and you have larger flow with this. See, you see that there is a water flow is started. Okay. Please continue. Audio is not coming, Vishnu.
Yeah. I will reduce the volume. Here they adjusted the throttle, sir. That one we didn't. So.
Zero and 1600. Now we'll try to bring it to our 11.25. Our 11.25 because we are fixing half the throttle. No? Yeah. (1600 RPM). Because he is going on adjusting the water flow and also the throttle position, so that the dynamometer reading will show 11.25 and speed should come to 1600. So once 1600 is attained at this particular load, the throttle is fixed.
Okay, sir. This throttle I will show, sir.
Yeah.
This throttle.
Yeah, this is how the throttle position is. You see, it is a fully open because once you go back, this is fully closed. So fully open, go back. This is a fully open. Little go back. This is a fully open. So with this, because on this the air filter will sit. This is the adjustment of the pressure at the throttle.
Sir.
Is only changing the water flow. You see, observation. This is how this throttle is varied.
Yes, sir. Here the throttle was there.
Yeah. Once you remove this blue box, so whatever you observed just now a little while ago, that was seen here in this. So that is adjusted by this lock nut. There is a thread, screw lock nut is there. So during the remaining part of the experimentation, we are not at all bringing any variation at this point. We are not at all changing this throttle position.
Sir, here they tried. You can see here.
This is 1600, no?
So they decreased the load, sir.
They decrease the load. Means they are trying to run at a higher speed.
Yes, sir. Now it's increasing here. The load is also decreased here.
Yeah, means they are trying to run at a higher speed.
Yes, sir.
So they are not touching any throttle position. Only amount of water flow is varied. So whatever automatically comes, the dial reading is noted down as a load reading.
Next, further they decreased some more load.
Yeah. To see that it will come to 1800.
Yes, sir.
Unfortunately, we could not get it at 1800.
Next, they increased the load, sir. Further.
Increase, no, decrease the load. It is below 1125.
Sir, after that, sir.
Increased means they are running at 1500 RPM.
Yes, sir.
1500.
Yes. This is also same thing, sir. Like increasing the load.
So they try to
Decrease
bring it to 1400, I think.
Yes, sir. Like that they did actually.
We were not successful at 1400.
Yes.
Engine could not come to 1400. Steadily, it could not come. It stayed at 1500 only. So effectively we got at 3 speeds, no, yesterday.
Yes, sir. 3 we tried, sir.
Even we tried others, but
That one we didn't get.
yeah, study readings we could not get.
Yes.
That's why we are sharing with the previous tabular column observations. Yeah, any clarifications you want at this point of time? Karthik,
No, sir.
Revant. Hello? Who is it?
Clear, sir. TA, sir.
Huh? TA. TA. Yeah. So, Satish?
Shall we explain the procedure again, sir? Like by showing video again? Like first.
Because they were for observation, huh?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. You can run. You have full. Till they noted down the fuel consumption, no?
Yes, sir.
You didn't show the fuel consumption.
Yes, sir. I have shown here. They have taken fuel consumption.
While noting down the fuel consumption. Yeah.
This is the first one, sir. Here they applied the load at 11.25 and they fixed the throttle position.
Yeah. No, actually, while taking the video, you are a little bit confused now where to concentrate.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Here I'm showing the speed only, but at the same time they are adjusting the throttle also, and they are adjusting
Water
this
flow.
also. This is the first one.
Yes.
Here he adjusted here throttle position. Next they applied the load till 11.25. So this is the first one, sir. Like we applied the half of the load and we fixed the throttle position.
Okay.
And the speed is 16 hour.
Yes.
And at that time we have taken the fuel consumption reading also. For 100 cc. 100 m. First one, sir. Here we increase the load, sir, now. Then the speed is decreased.
Okay.
And at that time, we are taking the same fuel consumption also.
Yes. Yes.
Where we can see here, the load is increased.
By water flow only, not through.
Yes, sir, by water flow. Like that, we can take for by increasing the load.
Yeah.
Next one, decreasing the load.
Means bring it at a higher speeds.
Yes, sir,
Beyond
higher
16.
speed. Decrease the load, the water flow will be very low.
Higher than 1600.
Yes. Here, the load is decreased.
Correct.
Persons. Finally, this is the table. These are the readings we will take. Dynamometer reading.
Yeah.
Time for 100 cc fuel consumption.
So Sir has shared the previous class, previous semester, no? Has he shared with you?
Sir has that one, sir. He told that Samba sir has the readings. He will see those readings, sir. That is these three readings, sir. Engine speed and dynamometer reading, time for 100 cc fuel consumption.
Okay.
Remaining things students has to calculate. They have to draw the graphs.
Sir has also shared with me. Let me share if it is available.
Okay. Sir, you will share us the screen now.
I am sharing that screen.
Okay. I will stop.
You will start. Is my screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you are able to observe, see, the load, the speed is an independent parameter, 1100, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, okay? So they could go on the lower side of 1600 in the last class. This is the dynamometer reading, okay?
Sir, it's showing all the data calculations also.
Yeah.
Can you please delete them, sir? Whatever E F G H. Delete it. Yeah, should I share, sir? Otherwise, I will share.
No problem. If you are there, you can share it.
Yeah, just share, sir. Just unshare.
I'll download and share it, no problem.
Is it Visible, sir?
Yeah, visible.
Please note down these readings, dear students. So, okay, anyhow, we will put this in the folder and share with you also. If you have completed, then I will stop sharing my screen. Is it done, Sarthak?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm stopping.
Yeah, Moni, are you there?
Yes, sir.
You have that 3 readings, no? For 16,
Yes, sir, I have.
15, 16, 17. You know?
Yes, sir.
How they are comparable?
Like, so for reducing speed, like load was reducing. Load was
One side,
load was increasing.
one
Hello,
side.
sir.
No, Moni, what sir is asking is compare the results that you have taken yesterday to the present shared
Oh,
results.
okay.
Whether the time taken for a particular speed is close or not. That's
They
what
are not matching.
Okay. Just a minute, sir.
They are not matching. I remember 63.4, 64.8,
And 99.09 for 1700.
99.
1700.
So actually, we have done for one higher speed also. Hello.
Yeah,
Sir, for 1600 RPM, load was 11.5.
actually that should be because in this table it is showing 13.5.
Yes.
Correct.
New table. Kada?
Yeah, kgs, sir. Load kgs. Load is in
And in
kgs.
lab also, there it was also kg.
That instead of writing kgs, we said simply units. But there was some difficulty, it seems, last time.
Okay.
So what you do is you do with 3 readings. Observe the calculation part, how they are coming. Like,
Okay.
Moni, can you do some calculation right now?
Yes, sir. Yes, I can.
What is the SF fuel consumption time at 1600?
Give me 2 minutes, sir. I'm doing.
Others also can do it like this. Sarthak, Kaushik, Pujita, whoever is ready with a calculator, they can do simple calculations. I'll just guide you how to do it. Hello?
Yes, sir. One second.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So fuel 100 by, what is the time corresponding to 1600?
42, sir. 42 seconds.
అది కాదండి లాస్ట్ టైం మనం నిన్న తీసుకున్న రీడింగ్.
Okay.
అదే మీ దగ్గర వాల్యూ ఉంది కదా, దాంతో కంపేర్ చేద్దాం. మోని,
Sir, okay, you are asking me. Sir, for 1600, it was 65.3 seconds.
100 by 65.3 నా ఇంటూ 0.832
Sir.
ఇంటూ 3.6.
So 4.58683.
1 point
4.583.
4 point.
Yes, sir. 4.5.
No, 100 cc divided by time is this much, no? Okay, so many cc per second into specific gravity 0.832 grams per cc. So divide by 1000. So you will get how many? So many kg per second. So divide by 3600 means multiplied by 3.6. How much it has come? 4.
5, sir.
Yeah, note down that 4.58. Now you calculate the brake power. Brake power is Wn means W is 11.25. Okay. Hello. 11.25 into 1600 divided by 1000 into 0.736. Means you must be getting 1800. 18, no? 18 kilo HP. 18 HP. 18 into 0.736. How much?
13.248 is coming, sir.
Yeah, 13.248.
248.
So you got 4 point, how much there, that fuel consumption? 4.58, no?
4.5.
Divided by this brake power, you do it. How much it is?
The brake power, sir? What was exactly?
13.78 or something you said, no?
0.3323.
That is your BSFC. Okay. Kg per kilowatt hour. Okay.
Sir.
Sir, Sampath garu.
It is 0.449 in the percent.
అది కొద్దిగా హైయర్ సైడ్ ఉందండి. ఇది రీజనబుల్ అనమాట 0.33 అని. ఓకే. సో you do for another this 1500 is there, no? Hello, Monica and Sarthak, you are helping me, no?
Yes, sir.
So 64.03. 1500.
So 100 by 64. So you keep an all in memory. 100 into 3.6 into 0.832. Okay.
Yes, sir.
That divided by time. How much?
1 second, sir.
So 4.68.
4.68. So divided by, is it at 1500 or 1700? You are doing?
So it's for 1500.
1500, sir.
4.68.
Now you calculate the power. What is the corresponding load you got at 1500 RPM?
12.5.
Now you do calculation. 12.5, na?
12.5. Yes, sir.
12.5 into 1600 divided by 1000 into 0.736. Only W is variable. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
How much it is? How much is the brake power?
Just a minute. $200.
Sarthak, you can do it for 1700. If you have readings of Moni,
So for 1700 time is 99.09.
no. Okay, you do it for 1500. Have you done it completely?
No, sir, I'm doing.
So time he is giving. Time and the load you give it to him.
Sir, 19.26 kilowatt brake power.
19.26 divided by that what is your fuel consumption? 4 point something you said, no?
4.68.
4.68 divided by 19.26 you do.
4.68 divided by 19.26.
Yeah. That's
Okay.
your fuel consumption divided by brake power is BSFC.
0.243.
0.24. Okay.
0.243. Yes.
243. So you do the calculation at 1700.
1500, sir.
This is a 1500, no?
Yes.
How about at 1700?
Sarthak is doing. Okay. I'm doing.
Load also you have to give it to him. Load brake power you calculate.
Bro, was
Yes,
send the readings, bro.
No, just a minute. I'm sending.
The previous readings, it is 0.4726.
Yeah, అది throttle పొజిషన్ ఫిక్స్ చేయడం కొద్దిగా ప్రాబ్లం ఉంటుంది. ఎందుకంటే ఎగ్జాక్ట్ గా 1600 దగ్గర మీకు లోడ్ ఇట్స్ అ ప్రీ డిటర్మైన్డ్ లోడ్.
Okay.
సో దేర్ సీమ్స్ టు బి సమ్ మిస్ మ్యాచింగ్. ఇవి కొద్దిగా రీజనబుల్ గా వస్తున్నాయి. Hello, Moni.
Sir, fuel consumption is here 3.02. 02. 3.02 for 1700.
3.02 divided by power.
kg per hour. Yeah.
No, power brake power value.
Okay, brake power. I need to calculate. Just a minute. 1700 into 29. Here, brake power is 9.6. 9.02 about 9.6. Sir, specific fuel consumption.
How much?
0.3145.
0.31. So
3145.
If you observe, now you get the trend. See, speed is on x-axis. Okay.
Yeah.
So at 1500 you got lowest value.
Sir.
Okay. So at 1700 again it has increased. So at 1600, at 1500 it is lowest.
0.243.
Lower 0.243, 0.243, 0.338, 0.31.
Yes.
Okay. So somehow like best fit if you do a part of U shape you have to get it a small. Okay.
Yes, sir.
If you see the saucers,
let's say at 1600 it is in peak position.
it is at the highest value, no?
Yes.
But for this engine, as far as this reading is concerned, the specific fuel consumption is lowest at 1500 RPM.
1500 RPM.
So if you do properly the experiment at variable speeds, no, almost Okay, one can expect an ideal curve like a horizontal line. Okay,
Yes.
with respect to speed. It is for everybody, not for only Moni I am explaining. But you cannot have the constant specific fuel consumption, no. So initially you will be having a higher fuel consumption. So gradually when you are increasing the speed, the amount of air intake is also increases and the fuel consumption increases. So that means a stage may come where it comes to a lower value and then again it increases because of fluid friction. So that means as you are increasing the speed, the engine will try to develop more and more power, but you cannot expect the same thing from very high speeds because fluid friction will be higher, high heat transfer will be happening, and engine will try to overcome that high heat transfer by consuming more fuel. So it is almost like a, if you see cup and saucer in the front view, how is the saucer looks like in the front view? It is almost like a U shape, but middle portion is constant, no, a linear line. Okay, you got my point.
Yes, sir. Got it.
Yeah. So where you observe the lowest speed, lowest specific fuel consumption is nothing but economical speed of operation. So the automotive companies, they do perform the tests on the test bench at various speeds, and based on this one, they'll try to mark on your speedometer as a green range will be there, no? Speedometer, have you observed any time?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that is the range. With if you can run the engine within that range, you are expected to get the minimum specific fuel consumption. Okay, so engine will be developing a sufficient power at the cost of lower fuel consumption and without any difficulty. If you, what will happen if you try to run at higher speed? No doubt engine will take higher speed, but at the cost of fuel consumption. If you run at lower speed, you are not getting more benefit out of the whatever you are supplied the fuel. Okay, because the amount of air intake is also lower. So likewise, you have to infer from the readings. A variable speed test will give you the how do you achieve the economical speed of operation. Okay. If you have any clarification at this point, you can ask any question.
Now, which set of readings they have to follow, sir? 3 readings given by 15, 1600, 1700, or
No,
whatever.
actually, whatever it is happening, you know, at 1600 it is stopping. Okay, so let them take the previous table only, last class, and try to interpret that.
Okay,
So
sir.
at 13.8, instead of taking 13.8, let them take 11.25.
Which one, sir? At 1500 RPM, you want them to take load as
At 1600 RPM.
at 1600 RPM, that is 13.5 load, sir. So that we have to change.
చేయండి ఒక్కసారి మీ టేబుల్ షేర్ చేస్తారా?
Okay, sir. 1 second, sir. Just
మిగతావి కూడా డిస్టర్బ్ అవుతాయేమో అని డౌట్.
visible, sir? Is it visible, sir?
No, it's okay. Let them do the ambition. Let them have some experience of calculation.
Okay, sir.
Let them do it. You proceed with the calculations by taking these observations.
Sir,
Yeah, Moni.
sir, actually, while in this reading, like load, while decreasing speed, load is also decreasing, sir. I think we need to change that also. Like while reducing speed, load is also increase, sir.
Yeah, that's how I was little bit skeptical in sharing that one after seeing that one. Okay. I discussed
Yes.
with sir. Okay. Or if you are comfortable with the three readings,
Yeah.
we understand the difficulty of getting the other, not getting the readings. Okay.
Yes.
You proceed with the yesterday's readings one.
Okay. Sir,
That is reasonable, no? As you
yes,
are
yes, sir.
increasing the speed, load has decreased. As you are decreasing the speed, load has increased. Okay.
Okay.
So that is seems to be reasonable.
Like,
Okay. Sir, Sampath
yes, sir.
sir.
Sir, tell me, sir. Sir, tell me, sir.
Let them take these three readings of yesterday's only.
Okay.
So
All right, sir.
they can correlate with the theory as also the explanation what we have given to them.
Sure, sir. Sure, sir. Sure, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Anybody is having any clarifications? If no clarification, then we'll close. సార్ వీళ్ళకి సబ్మిషన్ డేట్ ఇచ్చేసారు కదా మీరు అది ప్రీవియస్ క్లాస్ ది
ప్రీవియస్ సెషన్ అయిపోయింది సార్. డెడ్ లైన్ అయిపోయింది సార్. ఈ వీక్ ఇది ఇవ్వాలి సార్. లాస్ట్ దాకా అప్ టు డేట్ కరెక్షన్స్ అన్ని అయిపోయింది సార్. దే ఆర్ ఆల్ అప్లోడెడ్ ఇన్ ద వెబ్సైట్. సో ఓన్లీ దిస్ వీక్స్ present experiment they have to submit.
ఓకే వెరీ గుడ్.
Again, which time I have to put deadline?
Give up to we are giving up to Wednesday, no? Every time Wednesday 5 o'clock. So if your time is okay, no, 5 o'clock correcting it, the time should be sufficient, right?
Okay, sir. Next week Wednesday.
So I will be sharing
The records through same link. Okay.
yeah.
Yes.
Same link.
Yeah.
ఆಯ್ತು. సంపత్ గారు ఓకేనా?
Sorry, sir. Okay, sir.
Shall I leave it now?
Yeah. Yes, sir. We will close
Yeah.
this session.
Thanks.
Students, if you have anything, I'll be available through phone. Just call me.
They don't have any doubts on this experiment. Okay. Thank
Yes,
you, Sampath
we
garu.
will close this. Sarthak and thank you, sir. Sarthak
thank you,
and
Ambapur.
Kalyan, if you
Thank you,
sir. Gupta sir. Students, if you have further doubts, anything, you just you went it through your CR to me through Sarthak or Kalyan. Okay. Any more doubts if you have, we will discuss.
Sure, sir.
Right. Yeah. Okay. We will wind up the session for today.
Sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Hello, sir.
Yeah. Tell me.
Sir, record 5 and 6 experiment record marks are not given to us. We don't know.
What happened, Kalyan?
Experiment 5 and experiment 6 we submitted through Google Form, sir.
Okay.
Record.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. I will ask them. I will show it to you. I'll send
Okay.
it. Okay. Earlier it was through LMS, no? So it was directly shown. So 5 and 6 I have to disclose to you. We will do. Tomorrow or day after tomorrow.
Okay.
Be expected. Anything more? Okay. Well, then I'm stopping the recording session.
Okay.
Okay, Sampath.
Yeah. Thank you, sir. Thank you for the advice. Okay, guys. Thanks for attending the session. Take care of yourself.
Thank you, sir.